personal chef. In this video, I'm showing you how to make a cucumber avocado gazpacho. It's super refreshing and really quick to make. So if you're ready, let me show you how. So I have my little blender that I'm going to be using, and as I chop the ingredients, I'm going to place them directly in there. It's just going to make it fast and efficient that way. So I have a nice large cucumber here, and I'm going to cut the ends off and cut it up real quick. So get those guys. I like to start by cutting in half, and then in half again. Alright, so just throw it right in there. You can cut up the rest and just put it in a bowl on the side, and we'll blend this in a couple batches since our blender is not that big. So, some refreshing cucumber. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little shallot. And the cool thing about this gazpacho is you can really customize it to the way you like. So if you can't have like onion or shallot, then skip it. You could add something else instead. And for the knife cuts, don't worry about it because it's going to be blended, so it doesn't need to be perfect by any means. I'm just kind of chopping it up so that it blends easier. Alright, I like a little garlic in it. It does tend to be a little potent, so you could skip the garlic if you want. So next up, I'm going to add a little jalapeno for spice. It's not going to be spicy by any means, I'm just going to add a tad. So throw it in, yeah, and then we're gonna be adding some lemon because you gotta add that citrus. You could do vinegar instead of lemon if you want though. And then I'm not gonna do the whole avocado just because it's a pretty big one. But the avocado is gonna be so delicious because it makes it creamy without actually adding any cream. So if you're dairy free, this is gonna be pretty awesome for you. I'm going to be garnishing mine with a little radish on top, so if you want to do the same, you can cut up some little radishes too. Alright, so let's add in our fresh lemon juice. And I like to get right in there and use the whole thing. Lemons can be pricey, so you don't want to waste any lemon. Make sure to get it all. And then lastly, we're just going to add some salt and pepper into it. So a little pepper. And a little salt. I'm just doing pink Himalayan salt. And now let's blend it up. To help the blender along, I'm just gonna add a touch of water. Alright, so now let's blend it up. It's super easy, as you can see. Ready? This hard part, getting it open. Okay, make sure your hands aren't wet. Whoa, look at that. If you want it a little bit more thin, then you could add a touch of water to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend the rest of it up first. I can't wait any longer. I gotta give it a taste though. Yum. So, a little sourness from the lemon, a little spiciness from the jalapeno, coolness of the cucumber. This is super delicious already. Alright, so I have a little mason jar here that I'm going to keep it in. So I have one more batch to blend, so I'm just going to pour the first one in here. And let's get that rest of that cucumber. And it wasn't that spicy, so I'm actually going to add a little bit more jalapeno. A little salt, pepper, lemon juice, and then I'm going to add a splash of water after that. Just a little bit of water. Round two. Now we want to taste it when these two are combined. Just gonna mix it all together real quick. So let's give it a taste. Tastes good. Salt level is actually good. Pepper is good. Yum. So now it's all ready. Now you can just chill it in the fridge and take it out and pour yourself a little bowl to have whenever you like. Oh, looks really nice. If you want to make this dish for yourself, check out the recipe down below in the video description. Also, there's a link for my full Meal Prep Academy course if you want to learn how to meal prep for yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy eating!